This is The Early Evolution of Special Effects Within the Film Industry by Boyd Kendall. The first noted use of special effects happened in a short movie directed by Alfred Clark in 1895. The film titled The Execution of Mary, Queen of the Scots. This film used the first substitution of the actor with a mannequin to film a decapitation sequence. In 1896, Georges Méliès, a French director also known as the father of cinematic special effects, discovered by accident a stop-motion filming trick after fixing a camera jam. He then used this new filming trick to film a short film, The Vanishing Lady, in 1896. It is the first film to utilize this by having the female apparently vanish from the scene by stopping the film and restarting it with the magician in the same position, but the female is now gone from the scene. In 1900, director W.R. Booth used the first instance of miniature sets in order to create realistic scenes for the camera. The special effect became the staple for action and sci-fi movies over the years. Even today, large-scale miniature sets are created of cities in order to film scenes. It's cost-prohibitive and practical to blow up entire cities, but this allows for realistic scenes where they can destroy an entire city and make it look real. This allowed for major movies to be produced without having to actually destroy an entire city, while on the miniature scale, which made it more financially viable in order to do this. In 1922, a film directed by Chester Franklin, while it was the second Technicolor feature and it was the first one to be filmed in Hollywood and did not require a special projector to be viewed, which gave it a larger distribution, which finally brought color filming into In 1922, Joseph Sun animated the oldest surviving clay animation film called Long Live the Bull. While there were many claymation films that date back as far as 1908, none of them survived the test of time. Claymation used a form of stop-motion animation where each frame of the film was filmed as frame by frame and then put together in order to create action within the film. While this allowed for incredible creatures to be filmed, it turned out to be very time-consuming. In 1933, H. Wells filmed The Invisible Man and used the new technique called film overlay. They filmed several shots of the same scene using different objects until the face of the actor actually appeared. The first time that this technique was used and added a new level of sophistication to the filming process. In 1922, the first film to be filmed and shown in 3D was the movie called The Power of Love. They achieved this with a two-camera system of red and green and then used two projectors for playback. Audience members would wear anaglyph glasses in order to see the movie in 3D. They also had two options for the ending, a happy or sad ending. This was achieved by looking through one color or the other color lens. Unfortunately, this film is considered lost today and has no complete copies that are found. In 1939, The Wizard of Oz was released. This movie used paintings for backgrounds. During filming, they would also use projectors in order to show a background and give the audience the feeling of actually being somewhere else. This system of projecting images could be considered a precursor to the blue and green screen methods that are used today where images are added by computer after post-production. This is a short film about the early evolution of special effects within the film industry within a nutshell.